Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word passenger. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Passenger boarded the plane and settled into their window seat for the long flight. A passenger is a person who travels in a vehicle, such as a car, bus, train, or plane, but is not the driver or pilot operating the vehicle. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.